Now we're going to learn how to render a high shine yellow gold drop earring. Before we begin, we need to prepare an A4 paper, pencils, HB for making light lines and 2B for the darker lines and the shades, a warm yellow, orange and brown color pencil, a fine black marker, an eraser, a ruler, a pencil sharpener and a bowl for the scraps, a smudger, use one side for the colors and one for the gray shades, and an oval template. We're going to begin by drawing a light line in the center of the page with the HB pencil. Measure with the ruler and mark the widest part of the drops on each side of the center line. Take help of your oval template and dot markings to draw the drop shapes with the HB pencil. And then draw a small little link to hold the drops together. The light source will come from the top right corner. We're going to start the rendering by drawing an elongated H shape in the center of the drops using the brown pencil, making sure that you follow the shape of the drops. Then we're going to take the yellow pencil and start to fill up the space around the brown edge, leaving the top and the edges light. Now we're going to add a shade of orange around the edge, making sure that we don't cover all of the yellow on the edges. The colors need to fade from dark to light and be darker on the opposite side of the light source. To give the drops more depth, we're going to reinforce the center of the H shapes with the 2B pencil. blend the colors with a smudger. Now it's time to add a drop shadow, and we'll make it really dark with a 2B pencil on the opposite side of the light source. And smoothen it with a smudger. Then we're going to retouch the edges a little bit. We want them light to give the impression of reflective light. As a last step, we draw a dark H shape in the center of the drops with a black marker. And blend it with the 2B and color pencils. And our earring is ready! This technique is almost exactly the same as the one we used to render smooth, high shine shapes in black and white. To render high shine rose gold, you just swap the yellow with a warm light pink and the orange with a darker pink. Let's have a look at the takeaways. Determine the light source and put a drop shadow under the shapes on the opposite side. The dark curved H shape in the center is key. Just keep it away from the edges and have it follow your shape. Make it darker and longer on the opposite side of the light source. Fade your colors, let them blend together. Leave highlights on the edges and at the top center, giving the impression of reflective light. Keep your shading light to begin with. It's always easier to add darkness as you go along than to remove it. Color pencils will take the edge out of your dark gray pencil lines, so a fine black marker will add that extra punch to make your sketches pop.